10, you have Docio's LMS, our score, 8/10. So when you think about Docio's LMS, think about your all-in-one solution if you want to make the most out of e-learning. And so this LMS training platform empowers you to create a wide range of engaging content. We're talking here about e-learning modules and quizzes to placement tests, videos, webinars, and even in-person sessions. So this is really great. And the cool thing about this is that the whole thing is not just limited to your employees. You can extend the learning experience to your clients and partners as well. So when you think about Docio's LMS, think about a course creator, a gamification platform. You have in-depth analytics, and you have a course library. And other features that we love with Docio's, you're talking about webinars, certifications, marketing tools, and actionable data. So you have the depth and breadth of analysis here with Docio's, okay? So this tool is great for organizations with specific regulatory needs. In terms of pricing, I want you to look on the screen right now. Docio's is not really transparent with its pricing, so you're going to have to contact customer service or even sales so that they can actually give you a bespoke quote based on your needs. Number 9, you have Nimble LMS, our score, 8.4/10. So when you think about Nimble LMS, think about simplicity, think about efficiency, think about scalability. So this platform promises efficient training management, tracking, and reporting capabilities, making sure that your training initiatives are streamlined and effective. And the cool thing is you can keep a close eye on your learners' progress with comprehensive and detailed learner analytics. So this is kind of cool. And with Nimble LMS, you and your team will also benefit from a simple, user-friendly interface that requires little to no learning curve. So from a UX and UI perspective, Nimble LMS is a great tool to have. And so you have a course creator within the platform. Now, gamification is not those features are not present within the platform. You have analytics, of course, you have a course library, but you do not have gamification. You have ready-made courses, custom branding, and a user-friendly interface. Fantastic. And in terms of branding, I want you to look on the screen right now. Again, you don't have transparent pricing here. You have to contact Nimble for them to give you more information about their pricing. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Number 8, you have Open LMS, our score, 8.8/10. So Open LMS puts actually the power of open source technology at your fingertips, allowing you to create personalized and branded learning materials on a platform that reflects your organization's branding and identity. It also gives you the power to build your content and quizzes using its built-in H5P interactive content creation and native assessment tools. Or you can also bring your own content into the platform through their SCORM support. This is really great. So within Open LMS, you have a course creator, of course. You have a set of analytics, of course, but you do not have gamification, nor do you have a course library. And in terms of other features, you have an open source technology, SCORM support, and you have learning paths. Fantastic. You have integrations with tools such as Somatic Class, Brickfield Educational Labs, Class Collaborate, CopyLeaks, okay, among others. And in terms of pricing, I want you to look on the screen right now. Basically, Open LMS also has a similar strategy when it comes to transparency. In other words, they want you to contact them to discuss, okay? And you can also book a demo, not a problem. And Open LMS is great for big enterprises with at least 100 active learners. Open LMS can also be used by educational institutions as well, not a problem. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about our top 10 LMS currently on the market. And so number 7, you have Loop. Our score, 8.9/10. So when you think about Loop, I want you to think about a very popular LMS designed to take over all the grunt work so you can focus on what truly matters, making training that makes an impact. So automation is a secret sauce of Loop here. Not only can you effortlessly create courses and learning resources, but they can also be automatically delivered to your learners' inboxes, Slack or Teams channels, or even their phones. And more of the automation capabilities include automated engagement metrics, dashboards, and reports. This gives you valuable insights into the effectiveness of your training programs without having to go through a tedious process. Fantastic. So when you think about Loop, think about a course creator, of course, a course library also. A gamification impact is there, and you also have analytics. And other features that we'll love within Loop include an automated course delivery process, learning pathways, automated metrics, dashboards, and reports. Fantastic. And you also have integrations to single sign-on, so SSO, Skim Azure, you have Skim Otka, Microsoft Teams, Slack, LinkedIn Learning, Hotjar, and Google Calendar. So this tool is great for organizations of all sizes, nonprofit organizations, and can also avail themselves of this tool. In terms of pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is a pricing for this tool as the date of this show. Again, you're gonna have to contact Loop to have a better idea. Number 6, you have Thinkific, our score. 9/10. Thinkific is a great LMS software perfect for trainers looking to create engaging online courses and at the same time monetize their expertise. With Thinkific's robust course builder, you have the power to create engaging and interactive courses that captivate your audience. And so whether you prefer a self-paced or scheduled classes, Thinkific has you covered. We love that a lot. You have a course creator. You have a gamification value added process here. You have analytics, and you have a course library within Thinkific. You also have a website builder. You have AI course name. You have logo and quiz generator, marketing and e-commerce tools, and you have quizzes and assignments. Fantastic. And you have integrations to various third-party platforms, including ActiveCampaign, Aweber, ConvertKit, eWebinar, Accredible, Lesson Space, Facebook Pixel, Zoom, Shopify, and Zapier. So Thinkific is great for trainers and instructional designers looking to sell their online courses. In terms of pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is how the pricing looks like for Thinkific as of the date of this show. Number 5, you have Ed App. Our score, 9.1/10. So when you think about the Ed App, I want you to think about one of the top LMS platforms this year. Their features are built to make training and learning a seamless process, not only for the trainers, but also for the learners. This is really good. You can create and manage courses on the platform, or you can also use their ready-made courses so you can deliver to your course as early as today. I mean, your learners, on the other hand, can easily access the learning materials anytime and anywhere using the device they prefer. This is really good. So you have a course creator, you have a gamification, of course, you have analytics, and you also have a course library. We also love the fact that within Ed App, you have an AI course creator, you have a rapid refresh, so a quiz creator, you have brain boost, space repetition tool, and you also have course certification and course library. And I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is the pricing for Ed App as of the date of this show. So you can see that you have a lot of capabilities here. Fantastic. Number 4, you have Learn World's LMS, our score, 9.4/10. So if you are looking for an LMS platform, not only to create your courses, but also to sell and promote them for public use, then Learn Worlds is definitely a great platform in our view to consider. It's an e-commerce ready LMS that allows you to create online courses and sell and promote them to the public. Fantastic. And with its drag and drop block-based builder, you can effortlessly design engaging and interactive courses. Plus, with hundreds of templates at your disposal, you will never run out of creative options. We love this a lot. And so when you think about Learn Worlds, I want you to think about a course creator, of course, a course library. You have in-depth analytics, and you also have a gamification aspect of things. And you also have assessment and survey builders. You have marketing tools and white label the websites. Fantastic. And you have integrations to third-party plugins from Zapier to MailChimp to Zoom to WebEx to Aweber to ActiveCampaign to HubSpot to Calendly to Zendesk, Intercom, and so on and so forth. And so this platform is great for big enterprises because of its hefty price tag. It's also perfect for individuals looking to sell their online courses as well. And I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is a pricing for learn was as of the date of this show. So you can see that basically you better have a large enough user base to be able to monetize and to be able to justify the cost here. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about our top 10 LMS platforms this year. Number three, you have Valet LMS, our score. 9.5 over 10. So when you think about Valet, I want you to think about a comprehensive suite of tools and elements designed to ease your transition into the world of online learning. The course creator tool, fully SCORM compliant, empowers you to create engaging and interactive courses that captivate your learners. Plus, with unlimited storage space, you can effortlessly organize and store all of your learning materials in one place. So this centrality of things is really great because it allows you to manage everything from a streamlined sort of point of view. And so you have a course creator. Of course, you have a gamification, you have analytics, but you do not have a course library within Valet LMS. You have LMS customization. You have a virtual classroom. You also have training management. And this tool integrates with many other platforms, including Active Directory, Spun HR, Darwinbox, LinkedIn, Google Tags, SMTP, and so on and so forth. So this is great for organizations of all sizes, small businesses to big enterprises. In terms of pricing, I want you to look on the screen here. Basically, you're going to have to contact Valet LMS for more information. Number 2, you have Blackboard LMS, our score. 9.8 over 10. So when it comes to online learning, Blackboard LMS stands as a pioneer with a rich history spanning over 20 years. It offers a robust platform that allows you to deliver courses, engage your employees, and assess their learning in meaningful ways. We love that a lot. And so they have a user-friendly interface. This is just fantastic, really, really fantastic. And the cool thing is that you are able to get things done really quickly. What we love about Blackboard LMS is that you are able to navigate through the learning journey, creating a smooth and intuitive experience for your learners. So when you think about this tool, think about a course creator. Of course, yes, you have a gamification aspect of things that's really enhanced through the platform. You have analytics, in-depth analytics. So the analytics can be really granular here. And you also have a course library. Just fantastic, okay? You also have web conferencing and collaboration. You have assessment management. You have certification, and you have customizable reports. So those reports are really great because depending upon the niche that you're in, if you want to engage with your learners a lot more, having the ability to customize things can really add an extra layer of credibility to your activity, to your educational activity. And so when we talk about integrations, Blackboard LMS integrates with the likes of Google Meet, Workspace, Drive, Microsoft Teams, and OneDrive. You have Cengage, for instance. You have Macmillan. You have Pearson. You have Dropbox Education, Lockdown Browser. You have Badger, Anthology Adopt, AI Design Assistant. You have Unsplash. This is really, so you have the ability to get things done here. Now, one thing I want to say here is that you have to really see what really works for you, though. And so when we talk about Blackboard, I want you to think about a tool that's great for big enterprises and big educational institutions. So size matters here because to justify the pricing, I was talking about the pricing later on. They're not really transparent on that aspect of things, but to justify the pricing, you better have a large enough user base. Talking about pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen. You can see that basically you're going to have to contact Blackboard to actually have more information. But the cool thing is you have a 30-day free trial with no commitment, no credit card. So you're able to get your feet wet to see whether you like the tool or not before committing. So this is really great. So we love that a lot. Number 1, the best of the best in our view, ProProfs LMS, our score. 9.9 over 10. So when you think about ProProfs, I want you to think about an excellent LMS system for businesses seeking a powerful and flexible training platform. Here, you can actually build your own courses or customize their extensive library of pre-existing courses to meet your specific training needs. And ProProfs actually also offers a quiz creator tool, allowing you to measure your team's learning progress and training effectiveness through quizzes and surveys. So this is really good. And so you have a free version, so with unlimited users. We love this a lot. And so when you actually get ProProfs, think about a course creator, think about a gamification aspect of things. You have in-depth analytics, and you have a course library. I mean, the analytics within ProProfs are really granular here in terms of you tracking all kinds of data. And there are other features that you will love within ProProfs. For example, you have quizzes and surveys. You have a white label sort of capability. And you have e-commerce functionality. So if you want to integrate your ProProfs platform onto your e-commerce store, you will really do that, not a problem. And you actually can see this in the integrations that are available within ProProfs. Talking about integrations, let's talk about the fact that this tool, ProProfs LMS, integrates very well with the likes of MailChimp, Sugar CRM. You have Salesforce, you have Tribe HR, you have WordPress, you have Tincan API, Bamboo HR, HighRise, Zoom, Oracle, and Okta. So the thing here is that you need to understand, when you analyze ProProfs, this tool is great for organizations of all sizes, big to small businesses, and even edupreneurs, and even solopreneurs, and even entrepreneurs. Okay, but the thing is, some of the features that you see within ProProfs are also suitable for educational institutions. So it's all about how you position yourself. It's how about you, what kind of features you need. In terms of pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen. You can see that basically ProProfs is really drawing you into their ecosystem by giving you a free plan, but that free plan is not really that great if you really want to do something serious here. Of course, it's free for up to 10 learners. But if you want to really enjoy the capabilities offered by the software, it's better to go with the business plan. But for the business plan, you need to contact ProProfs for more information. Before we close to this conversation, let me give you an overview of an LMS in general, so you have a clear idea. So when we talk about LMS, what are we talking about? A learning management system is a very useful tool that helps trainers easily manage online training and allows learners to take part in digital learning experiences without any hassle. But with so many tools available on the market today, it really seems hard to find the best LMS that will work best for your organization. So I give you 10 LMS platforms today. You need to really find out what really works for you. And so when we talk about, if you want to consider an LMS, think about the benefits and the pros and cons, so you have a clear idea what you're getting yourself into. So when you think about an LMS, think about a tool that allows you to have centralized learning management. So an LMS creates a single organized platform for learners to access all their learning materials and activities. You have flexibility and accessibility. So an LMS makes it easier for learners to access courses and resources remotely, offering flexible learning opportunities. You have personalized learning paths. So you are able to have tailored learning experiences based on individual learners' needs and goals. You have tracking and assessment capabilities. So an LMS simplifies tracking learner progress and assessing performance, creating valuable insights for trainers. Also, of course, we have cost and time savings opportunities also. So adopting an LMS can result for your organization in significant cost and time savings compared to traditional training methods. It really all depends upon your target audience. It depends on your educational needs also. And you also can, when you think about LMS platforms, that is, think about scalability and consistency, because this tool, an LMS, is highly scalable and guarantees consistent content delivery and assessments across multiple courses. So this consistency is really important, especially if you are talking about multiple geographies and multiple time constraints. You also have data-driven decision-making processes that are enabled and even optimized within LMS platforms, because those platforms can be trusted in robust reporting and analytics features, promoting evidence-based decision-making for instructors and administrators. So this is kind of cool. So before you make a decision, think about those features and make sure that you incorporate them in your analysis. Before we actually do a recap here, I want to acquaint you with our LMS evaluation approach. So on this show, we have a method, a very a strong method when it comes to evaluating, categorizing, and listing LMS platforms. So please check this out right now. Let's quickly recap here. So number one, you have ProProf's LMS, our score 9.9 over 10. Number two, you have Blackboard LMS, our score 9.8 over 10. Number three, you have Valid LMS 9.5 over 10. Number four, you have Learn World's LMS 9.4 over 10. Number five, we have EdApp 9.1 over 10. Number six, we have Thinkific 9 over 10. Number seven, we have Loop 8.9 over 10. Number eight, you have Open LMS 8.8 over 10. Number nine, we have Nimble LMS 8.4 over 10. Number 10, we have Dokio's LMS, our score 8 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. Really appreciate it. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.